Okay guys, how do you change the touch of your phone? You can see it's a touch. And we'll be checking it whether it's working fine. So get the new touch from a nearby store, and you can see touch has this cable. It's a flex cable. So at first you have to remove the different parts of the phone, unscrew it, and then remove the display. So different phone has a different display. Currently I'm showing it in a Samsung phone. It's on 5. So different phone has a different touch and different types of flex. Some flex will be like this. You will have a notch like this. You just put it above like this and you just press a little bit and it's done. Some flex will be like this. You just see you can see it's a door like. You just open the door. You can see it's a door like. You just open the door and just from back side. So just a door like. Just push it a little bit inside like this, and then after just close the door and you're done. You can see it's not coming out. Let's check it whether it's working fine. You can see there's a place to connect. So check in your phone where is exactly the place. So connect it properly. Just put a little bit of pressure and you're done. Make sure you put in a proper place first, otherwise you might damage. Now what we do is we just put the battery and now we turn it on. So press the power button. Some may check it properly whether it is in right side or left side. So this is the right side and this is the left side. So mine is in left side. So let me put a little bit of pressure on power button. Okay guys, finally you can see now the phone is working.